Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free diamonds on Chamet app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Chamet application on my mobile phone. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can get free diamonds. If you want to get free diamonds guys, you can go to your profile first. I'm going to click on this icon to open up my profile. Okay, and as you can see that my diamonds is still empty, and I'm going to show you how we can earn diamonds for free. So if you want to earn diamonds, we can tap on my diamonds right here. Okay, and to get free diamonds, you can invite your friends to the Chamet app. Just select this invitation, and then you can click on invite friends. Okay, and for example, I'm going to send to my WhatsApp friends. For example, this one. Okay, and they need to join the Chamet app, so you will get free diamonds. Okay, I'm just going to go back, guys. Okay, and then I recommend you to invite a lot of friends, so you will get free diamonds for free. You can invite your friends as many as you can, so you will get a lot of diamonds. Okay, and the second method you can try to get free diamonds is using the task. You can go to my tasks, and then you can watch video to get diamonds for free. You can select video, and then you can watch a short video to get 60 diamonds. And make sure you have good internet connection to watch a short video on Chamet app. Okay, and then you will be able to complete tasks as well to get diamonds. Let's try this one, guys. Okay, here we need to play an game to get free diamonds. Okay, we need to play a game or open application. This is the result. Okay, or actually you can do the task here, but you won't get diamond, just get like star. So you need to watch a video or complete a mission to get the diamond. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get diamonds for free on Chamet app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.